Are you thinking about selling your home right now, but you're worried about getting it ready for market? I've got 3 tips for you that will help you get your home ready without costing you thousands of dollars. The only homes that I see that aren't selling really fast in multiple offers for inflated numbers right now are homes that are either overpriced or underprepared. I've got 3 tips for you today to help you prepare your home. Number 1 is start with a blank canvas. And by a blank canvas, I mean the walls in your house. I go to a lot of places right now, they've got pictures all over the walls, or they've got stencils and decorations and wallpaper, and it's distracting to a home buyer. What you want to do is come in, take all of the pictures off the walls, and repaint that wall. Now, I'm not talking about just a little patch here, a little patch there, and gee, I hope it matches. Paint the whole wall, because it's really obvious when somebody has half-assed it and just patched the wall. It's not going to cost a fortune, and it will pay. Once you've repainted the wall, take a look at that blank canvas, see if it needs something there, and replace it with one piece. And it should be a statement piece. And don't be afraid to leave a blank wall. Blank walls actually make a room look larger. The second item that I'd like you to focus on is lighting. I've never shown a home that was too bright. I've shown plenty of them that are not bright enough. Take a look at each room in your house at dusk and figure out if you can tell what color the walls are. If you can't tell what color the walls are, you don't have enough light in there. Either think about replacing the fixtures in the room with LED lights, or replace the bulbs in those fixtures that you have already with brighter bulbs. Now, another thing to focus on is having all of the bulbs in your house the same color. You've probably seen those cold blue or green lights in a house, and you've seen the nice warm, more incandescent looking lights. A lot of the new LED fixtures right now throw a ton of light, and you can adjust the warmth of the light coming from that fixture. Not only does that help to make the room look more inviting, but it helps you match throughout the house the lighting scheme. Tip number 3, and this is a bit of a touchy subject, but I'll make it simple. Clean your house. There are some people who really take pride in how good their home looks and how clean it looks, but they have blind spots too. Even the most fastidious people might miss cobwebs in a corner, or dust on top of a bureau, or anything else that they see every day. Some people are not quite so fastidious, and I'll see homes that just need cleaning everywhere. Regardless of how much pride you have in how clean your home is, it helps to get a professional cleaner in there, blitz the house. They're gonna clean stuff that you don't normally clean just because they've not seen your home before. And they're gonna look at it through a different set of eyes. Because believe me, a buyer is gonna come through there and see the house in a much different way than you, the homeowner who's lived there for a long time, does. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you know of anybody who's getting ready to sell their home and might be able to benefit from these tips, please forward the video to them. And I'd also love to hear from you if you have any other tips to get a house ready that aren't going to break the bank. Make a comment below. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, and I look forward to talking to you soon.